Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin continues to move sideways here and it's sort of consolidating just below resistance. Resistance is $29,600 plus minus a few dollars, but this is the relevant resistance that we've got here for this wave 4. Still think we're in this wave 4 and one more low should happen. Quick zooming out here for everybody who's new on the channel. The idea is, before we go back into the detail again, the idea is still that looking at the bigger picture, Bitcoin completed here 5 waves to the upside into the February high. We consider that a wave 1 highlighted in green. That is an impulse. That looks really good. Then we had our pullback into a trend reversal or support zone. That worked as well very nicely. And we had a good entry here. Then we had another 5-wave move to the upside and a 3-wave pullback. And it seems like we've got another 5-wave move to the upside and a 3-wave pullback. So Bitcoin has produced a series of 1-2 setups, which could be the launch pad for a rally in a 3rd wave. But it really needs to do it now. But we've got a very, very bullish setup on the larger time frame. Of course, the condition is that relevant support level is holding. If the relevant support level isn't holding, this can easily break down. But the imminent support level we have for this setup to work out is 26,280. That is the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement. Yeah. So if this level holds, a 3rd wave can take us to $40,000 plus. And of course then higher. Yeah. I don't think it will be an easy ride. I think it will be a choppy road. But of course, the condition is that the 26,280 level is holding. That's the most imminent relevant support level. As long as this level is holding, I can uphold the current wave count. I don't necessarily think we will go down all the way to that level. I rather think anything around 28K for a low in the current structure before we go. But still, of course, it could technically come down to that 78.6 Fibonacci retracement. Now looking at the 1-hour chart, we can see that Bitcoin produced here this wave 1 to the upside, which peaked on the 13th of July. We had a 3-wave pullback into support in an ABC structure. The idea is that an A wave already bottomed here on the 18th of July. We had a B wave rally, which topped on the 20th of July. And the C wave is now coming down, which is normally a 5-wave move. I mean, it is a 5-wave move. It's just, okay, have we labeled it correctly? So if we take a look at the subwaves, yeah, you can see that off the B wave top, which was made on Thursday, the 20th, prices come down in a wave 1, a wave 2 pullback, likely a 3rd wave drop already that was into the 1.618 Fibonacci extension, an ideal target for a 3rd wave, a wave 4 pullback and consolidation, and the wave 5 to the downside is basically next. What could be, and that's what, I can't promise, don't have a crystal ball. What could be is that circle wave 3 is still unfolding, that we maybe have a diagonal structure unfold, which means that the subwaves are ABC structures, but we won't know that until later, and at the moment this could still be easily impulsive here. So just be aware that at the moment, 1 low is expected. Maybe we get 2. Yeah, maybe we get 2 lows. We don't know that at this stage fully. So if we get 1 more low, then we will be able to very, we will probably land in the area around 28K. I can calculate them more precisely for you if we have the top in place for the wave 4, which we haven't got at this stage. But we can still use the other waves to calculate potential targets. Let's do that. Let's pick the Fibonacci extension tool. And what we can do, we can pick the length of the A wave. We go to the high of the B wave. And it gives us a C wave target around 28,100. That is a common target level, the 100% extension. Of course, it could go lower, but this is certainly a level of interest to watch. And I can't really calculate wave 5 yet, not until I have the wave 4 support complete. The wave 4 top complete, then I cannot really calculate just the length for wave 5. Yeah, I think that's where we are at the moment. But more generally, I would look at the area around 28.1k to 28.3k, because here we've got the 50% retracement level as well. And I would leave it a little bit of space because we haven't got the top of wave 4, so I can calculate the target very precisely. So I would rather say 28k to 28.4k maybe, but it's already a very, very tight range anyway for a potential target. Now, of course, it can go lower. In that case, we would have 27,460 and 26,280 as potential targets. Yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.